after taking some solace in the fact that the Reggae Boyz still have their fate in their own hands, I want to highlight at least one positive coming out of those 2 wins to start the World Cup campaign. Young striker Kaheim Dixon, accused of being too wasteful after missing some chances against Jamaica. He hit the target once, but missed some real sitters and some other half chances. But the positive is that young Dixon continues to get himself into goal scoring positions. He's making the runs into the space, reading and anticipating the plays well. And like all good strikers, he's getting himself consistently into goal scoring positions. And that right there is the key for any elite goal scorer. Of all the forwards playing for Jamaica right now, because of his work rate, his skill and his guile, young Kaheim Dixon is arguably the very best at ghosting into spaces, running off the shoulder of defenders and eyeballing the opposing goalkeeper. All he needs to do, which will come with time, is to get more clinical. And one day, he will become very special.